What's up, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto. It's your boy Xander hitting you with this video real quick. It's not going to be long. Telling you that Binance, you can make accounts right now. So I have no idea how long this is going to last. This could be for an hour, could be for 10 minutes, could be permanent. I don't know. But as you guys know, they have not been letting people make Binance accounts or Cryptopia accounts. I don't know about Cryptopia right now, but all I can tell you is that Binance, you can make accounts right now. That's really awesome because Binance is the #1 app and also exchange for any cryptocurrencies right now. I love Binance. It's simple, it's safe, and they have a lot of good coins. So if you guys have missed the chance on getting on Binance, because I know they've been selling accounts for $5,000, $10,000, I recommend that you make a second and third account. I already made a second account. Get on there, guys. Tell your friends if they haven't been able to invest in crypto, or even if they possibly want one in the future, tell them to go on there right now and make an account. But yeah, I just wanted to get this video out to you guys really quick because I know that a lot of people missed out on it. And since y'all are loyal to us, you'll be getting this firsthand. So, normal. Like, comment, subscribe. Trying to get this out as quickly as possible. And I'll see you guys later.